Another box I got from my wife for my birthday. Topps Updated Series Baseball. Of course, we're trying to hopefully get a Bryant since I am a Cubs fan. Not a White Sox fan. So let's see how we do here. There's the one commemorative relic inside. We'll wait for that. Packs have the UPC code, so of course they can be regular, just retail that they shove in these boxes. Oh, I hate when that happens. Nice way to start with a Cub. Fowler. Horizon rookie. Jeffrey. Probably not going to try to butcher all the names. Alvarez. Albert Pujols. Clemens. That's kind of cool looking. Must be one of the regular type inserts that you can build a set with. Another, man, quite a bit of rookies. There's Hunter for the Cubs. And Buster Posey. So they're probably going to have all the rookies they didn't make. I think they had, this would be the high series, so the first series. There's something shiny coming up. Diaz, Cluster. Matt Boyd rookie. And we got a Todd Cunningham gold. Numbered 610 out of 2015. That's cool looking. Cole Calhoun. Insert. Here we have rookies. Dorn. Yeah, Cabrera. Evan Gattis. Hank Warner. Like I said, not going to try to butcher all the names. Some of the guys get here on little, I get all kinds of messages that I butchered a football player's name. But if you notice, it's never on the Bears. Malone. Davis. Lowe. Yeah, got Elvis. Sanchez. Says rarities, but it's one of those many subsets they like to put in these things. Amazing Astros. There we go. Chris Bryant, of course, from the All-Star game. Carlos Carrera. Another one. Ryan Webb. Of course, Topps is going to milk Chris Bryant for all he's worth. Clifton, LT, Crawford. Here we have a Ted Williams, the subset. Another subset. Rosenthal. Rookie Ryan. Rookie Ryzen. Russell and Bryant. Felix Fernandez and Thomas. Bird, here we go. Nice Cubbies, Strout, Ramirez. Who do we have here? Robin Yount, subset. Ichiro, subset. Collins, Peterson, rookie. Ichiro. Rookie. Hawkins. Clifford. Herrera subset. Hardy and Gonzalez rookie. Chichi Gonzalez. Phelps, Kemp, Manus, Rodriguez, John Lester, Cubby, Willie Mays subset. That's nice looking. Slugger Supreme, Red Sox, Joe Smith. Oh, man. We got some kind of color coming up. Boss Leg, Ben, David Price. Here we go. Rene Rivera. A lot of shine to it. Some kind of Adrian Beltran subset. Robles rookie. Mike Trout, All-Star Game card. 2 to go. Only like 2 actually of color, and the one wasn't numbered. That one in the gold so far. Oh, here's another one. Blanco. Here's Noah Snivengard rookie. Alex Wood. Gardner. We have a Prince Fielder gold. That's pretty cool. Numbered 272 out of 215. Second gold card. Sonny Gray. The All-Star subset. Crown. Royal Crush. Hernandez and Buxton rookie. Byron Buxton. Last regular pack. Looks like we got a black card coming up. Rookie Mikey Man. Albert Pujols. Sander. Oh, it's just a rookie sensation. Very cool. Roberto Clemente subset. Pat. It's a pretty cool looking card. Not so much his face, but Herrera. Cubby. Very cool. Rookie. And got a last but not least, this is very heavy feeling. Coin. We've got Mike Zunino from the Seattle Mariners. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk at you later.